A library is a storehouse of knowledge. It can help a man to satisfy his unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Like other schools, we have a big library. It is housed in a separate building. Our school library is well decorated. There are 3 big rooms in it. The 2 rooms are for reading rooms. Boys and girls have separate rooms. In the other room, books are arranged in shelves and almirahs. There are about 5,000 books in our library. They include many reference books on different subjects. There are some rare books on history and culture in our library. Only the students can read and borrow books from the library. For this, they should have library cards. A student can borrow 2 or 3 books at a time and keep them at home for a week. But in the reading room, he is allowed to read as many books as he can. The library is kept open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except on holidays. The librarian sits at a corner of the library. He has an assistant who helps the students to find books. He gives them books and again keeps these back in the shelf. The librarian and his assistant behave well with us. We feel a great attraction for the library. We are really proud of our school library.